bright. The time is now. Destiny is calling. Can you hear the sound? You're brave enough to chase the sun.
Think the ducks want to get in the water, Abby?
Show them what we're made of. We were born to run. Hey, there's a spark in your heart and a fire that's in your eyes. Full of hope, cause you know everything's gonna be alright. Living our best life, taking it all in stride. The light will be our guide. We were born to run. 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 Staring down the road ahead. Step into the wild, hold the world inside your hand. Gonna take a chance while we're still young.
A real truck?
Nothing's gonna slow us down, cause we were born to run. Hey, there's a spark in your heart and a fire that's in your eyes. Full of hope, cause you know everything's gonna be alright. Living our best life, taking it all in stride. And the light will be our guide. We were born to run. There's a spark in your heart and a fire that's in your eyes. Full of hope, cause you know everything's gonna be alright. Living our best life, taking it all in stride. The light will be our guide. And we were born to run. We were born to run. Run, run, run. We were born to run. We were born to run.
Learned in 7 years.
It's written in the sky, these dreams gonna come to life, and the lights are shining bright. We were born to run. There's a spark in your heart and a fire that's in your eyes. Full of hope, cause you know everything's gonna be alright. Living our best life, taking it all in stride. The night will be a guide. And we were born to run. We were born to run. Run, run, run. We were born to run. We were born to run. Run, run, run.
There.
Oh, you found it.
For your next task.
Alright, hey Abby, how old are you?
7.
You're 7 years old. Your favorite thing to do?
Play outside with wigs.
Who is your best friend at school?
Anna, Grace, and Carrots.
Anna, Grace, and Carrots. What's your favorite food?
Chicken stew.
What is your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue?